Okay, you guys, I made you a special screencast because these templates can be tricky and they can be frustrating. I saw a lot of you guys frustrated with how your pictures were moving around. So right now, this is the second page of the brochure template. The first page should be pretty easy. Even if you haven't finished the first one, just move on to the second one. Okay, the first thing I told you to do was to change all the pictures. But sometimes if you delete these pictures, it'll mess up the whole entire template. So what I want you to do is this. This picture right here, we're going to leave it where it is. Actually, we're going to right click where the scissors are. You're going to click cut because there's a picture behind this one and it's better than that one. If you want to leave that one on, it's fine. But if you want to cut it, then you have these little flowers behind it. Do not change the size of this. It will throw this whole page off and it will be very annoying. Okay, after you're done making that change, the next thing that we're going to do, which is very important, is we are going to cut, right click, cut that picture off. It came over here. Right click, just cut it off. This one, we're going to get rid of it. We're going to cut it too. Okay. Now over here, we can't click anything. We can't click anything on this column right here. And when we fold the brochure, this is going to show up as a column. Since we can't do that, we're going to come up here to insert. This says text box. We're going to go ahead and click this little arrow here. It's going to say draw text box. Okay, draw text box right here. And we're going to bring it over here. We want to draw a text box here. You can start the text box anywhere because we can change the size. I'm going to start it down here. Left click it and hold it. And I'm going to put it about right here. I could change the size later. This is going to allow me to add a picture back here. And I also can bring it down. And right here, I can add a picture, and I'm going to do that now. Insert, picture. Just choose any one. I'm going to choose a map just because I'm not going to use the Spain map. I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to cut that in a minute. Pretty small. It shows very small in size. You can try to drag it down and just stretch it. Okay, you can try to. Okay, for this one, we're not going to use any words here. Even if the brochure, if the directions told you to add a sentence here, I won't take any points off because this is very tricky and annoying. After you're done with this change, make sure you come up here and save. Let's add a picture here. You must click here. You see the cursor blinking? Enter. Just add a picture. I'm going to add a picture of money. The money, I'm just going to keep it this size. Once you start messing with the size, it'll change the template. Keep this all the same size, all of it. The only other picture I want to get rid of is this one. This one can be tricky too and very annoying. I'm just going to cut it out. Okay. This religion right here, I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to come up here, click enter once. I'm going to put religion up here in all caps. Alright, and then I'm going to save it because I just want it to stay like that. Here's a tip, don't add any pictures on this side. This side can be very annoying. Very annoying. Make sure to change this word from France to El Salvador. Location, what waters surround your country. Actually, you don't have an ocean, you have El Salvador. So what coasts, what oceans do you have at the coast? What other countries border it? What's the capital city? What's its population? So that's about it. Raise your hand if you have any questions and I'll help you.